Another train! Another train! It's a Norfolk Southern! Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Oh my god, it's like a high-speed train. This is not fair. Like, this is like a high-speed intermodal train. That's not fair. Well, anyways, you can see the train. I can identify that's a Norfolk Southern. If you guys think it's a Norfolk Southern, comment down below. And leave a like. Say cookies if you think that's Norfolk Southern, and say I love trains. That means it's CSX. So what do you prefer, cookies or I love trains? Okay, remember what I told you to say, okay? Oh my goodness, like I saw it was a Norfolk Southern train. I swear, I am not kidding. Oh my god, it was so close. But I think you guys can enjoy the train. At least if it has a DPU or something. I'll come back when I see a DPU. Guys, I don't know if there's a DPU on the train there. You see right there? Like, wait, never mind. Bro, I saw it was a Norfolk Southern train, I swear. I'll see you when there's a DPU, guys, okay? Come back and subscribe. And don't click out yet, cause the train's not finished. Oh. In fact, the train's already finished. So, and so with that, thank you guys for watching. Come like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.